All right, so I spent some time at the north end of Winston at the pull apart yesterday. Picked up the Suzuki X90 T-tops and those coil packs. And my buddy Nick said, "Hey, 109 is having a sale, 40% off." I was like, I didn't look. I thought about last night. I took a look, and this was here. 1989 Land Cruiser FJ62. Now, as you can see, well, this tail light's banged up. They've taken the Land Cruiser badges. Well, the whole hatch and tailgate are gone. This is here. Yeah, it's missing lens. I mean, most of the stuff is gone. It's been picked over pretty good. Oh, there's no door handle there. It's been picked over pretty good. I'm just too late. It came in a week ago. I didn't know. Man, I wish I'd have known. Yeah, but you never see these in here. I mean, I say that. I've never seen one in the junkyard before. And dang, I wish I could have got here sooner. But anyway, I'll go over it and see if there's anything I can scavenge. I mean, even things like these latches here, which I don't think I can actually. I'm looking at it. Anything I can that might be rusty on mine, if I can pick it up, great. But I'm not sure how that's going to work. So anyway, I'm going to go over it, see what we can find. And yeah, there's a couple other cars I'm going to check out today, but not much. I'll make this a quick trip. Well, this is really it. Power window, or excuse me, power window, power mirror switch, dimmer switch. Got this relay. I think goes to the rear blower, side markers, the glass, hello, and the clamshell. That's it. I mean, this car has really been stripped down quite a bit. I mean, I'm sure I could get little things here and there, but it's things I don't need. Like if I needed like the door handles or something like that, I don't need those. They're pretty kind of heavy duty, so I don't think people are really breaking those. There's just not much here left. I mean, it's been stripped pretty good. Little things here and there. It does have a hitch on it, and I wouldn't mind having said hitch. The problem is that I wouldn't be able to get it off. Like, I wouldn't physically be able to remove it from the car. So that's a bummer. But yeah, there's a hitch on there. I don't know if they could lift it up or something. It's got one mud flap. Yeah, there's just, I mean, not much here left over. My wife is, I had her, she's gonna take pictures. I'm not sure if I have these end caps on my rear bumper or not. I may walk back over here, but for the time being, we're gonna move on. There's about 3, 4, maybe 5 more cars I want to check out today. Standard stuff, you know, Toyotas. So anyway, let's keep on going. Okay, they're not cool. I'm not saying they are, but this little Metro, that little Suzuki, when I was 16, 17, wasn't really into cars yet. I like little hatchbacks, and at the time, these were still kind of running around the streets. Sorry. And I just thought they looked all right. And they got amazing gas mileage. I want to say one of them had like a 3-cylinder. Yeah, got a little 3-cylinder in it. They got amazing gas mileage. Suzuki Swift. Yesterday, picked off a Suzuki, so how fitting. We're looking at another Suzuki. Again, they're not cool. They weren't fast. But I like them. You know, sometimes it's okay, just like little crap boxes, and think it'd be neat to have one as a little daily driver or something. I like the cup holder mod there. Just screw it right into the door panel. Yeah. I don't know. Again, not cool, not fun, not fast, but I dig it. Suzuki's. Metros. Yeah. All right, last car of the day. 1983 Toyota Tercel. Again, not a cool car at all. And this one, well, it smells funny in here. I wouldn't say it's in great shape. I'm not I'm kind of interested in that steering wheel. There's not much to it. I mean, you know, it's an old Toyota Tercel, a car that, I mean, God, they haven't made in years. Actually, that says 1980, and that says 85. So they must have changed tags from a different vehicle put on there. But the last time this was registered was 1985. That's nuts. And then you guys start thinking, if this thing was made in 83, and they bought it in 83, 84, whatever, and they last registered in 85, it would expire in 86. Or no, it expired in 85, excuse me. What the hell happened? They just parked it. I don't know. But I did notice this here. I want to check out these part numbers, because we go back over here. Toyota 1466. These are the same side markers that were on the Land Cruiser. That's interesting. I mean, it makes sense. Same year Toyotas, makes sense, but who would have thought? All right, I might take the steering wheel. Sorry, I was hesitant to put my fingers in there for a sec. I may. It feels all right. And then get on out of here, going home, have some lunch. Yeah, I will. I'll update you guys very shortly. Oh, tech. I'll update you guys shortly with what all I pick up in the end. As I was walking by, I spotted this. Didn't recognize it at first. It's an old Volvo, but what caught my attention was the front mount. I didn't think these were turbocharged. Again, I like little hatches. When these came out, I thought they were really cool looking. But didn't know much about them, but I didn't know they were turboed. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's go home. All right, I am checking out, or actually I did check out, and these are up front. This is a Nismo wheel. I looked it up. These are actually made by Rays. So this is basically a Volk T37. They want $370. How much?
With the warranty, $270. Without the warranty, $237.
$237 without warranty? All right, thank you. $240 without a warranty. God, I could make some money off of this. I don't have the space for all of this in my car today. If it was just the wheels, I don't have the space. I think I got to walk away from it. Sucks. You know, there's money to be made, but sometimes it just doesn't work out that way. Some have the center caps, and this one doesn't. Yeah. Oh well. All right, there is my total M&M CD. As I showed before, power mirrors, dimmer switch. I got some old Toyota relays. Got the clamshell from the Land Cruiser, side markers, the steering wheel out of that Tercel, side mirror. Oh, I just littered. Sorry. Side mirror, this relay, and here a bunch of change that I found. And this was the transmission cap off of the Land Cruiser. And I got the I gotta go back inside because it was oily. I got the Toyota oil cap off that Tercel. $33. I'll go back in, and I'm actually going to ask them about those wheels. Gosh dang it. They're gone. Guys, I am smitten. I am excited for the second time. It's crazy I'm saying this. For the second time, I am leaving 109 U Pullet. You've got a quick glimpse of it. I'm leaving 109 U Pullet with authentic Rays wheels. About 2 years ago, I picked up a pair. I shouldn't say a pair. I picked up one good, one trashed Volk, Rays Volk. off of a 350 or 370Z. I can't remember exactly. Still have it. It's got 18 or 19 inch. I still have it in the garage. And then here we are today, 176 out the door. Let's call it 177, whatever. So less than $200. I've got 4 authentic raised wheels. I checked eBay. Well, I'll give a heavy discount to somebody and I'll still make a good amount of money. And I'm excited. Guys, you don't know what you're gonna find sometimes. You don't know. Go hunting, look around, and just ask. Just ask. It's crazy. Anyway, yeah. Off-road T37s. I wonder if they would fit on my truck. Now I'm kind of curious, because that'd be pretty badass. All right, peace.